Hey guys, here are the Hershey Kiss Grinch candies. They come out like this. They have a little Grinch on the bottom, so you can flatten out. You can eat all your candies and flatten them out, and that's what we're fixing to work with. So I'm going to just make a little garland just so I could make something to show you the idea that I had. I got some of these little ornaments from the Dollar General, and I also got these little light bulbs that they had. And so I'm going to take some of these little ornaments, wrap them with this, and these ornaments are the perfect size. The little face covers it because I already tried one. And I'm going to make a small little garland just to show you. But you could come up with other ideas for them, I'm sure. So, let's get started. Alright, we're just going to put a little glue on our ornament. Wrap the little... This is probably the hardest part, flattening out all the wrinkles so that the face shows up right. But you're just going to flatten the foil around the ornament. And it's going to have a hole in the back. So I just took a little piece from another foil because one doesn't all the way cover it in the back. And I just glued that on top of there. Then I'm trimming around the top so I can thread it on my raffia. And I have some colorful straws, so I'm going to use the red ones, and I cut me a bunch out so that I could thread them on, and I'm just going to lay it out and see how I like it and thread it onto this raffia, just alternating the little red ornaments with the green light bulb ornament and a Grinch. And I'm just going to make a kind of little one to show you because I don't really need a long one. Okay, here we go. I'm just only going to make it this long because you get the picture, you get the idea. I'm about to eat the rest of these Hershey's and get them out of my house. Alright, that's it for today. Bye!